Yeah, on the left side is where we analyze the company's information and match the H1B and E-Verify history with the company. And as you can see, there are some red and green buttons on the left side. And when it's in green color, you can click on it to see a detailed information regarding this company's H1B or E-Verify history, just like this. And okay, let's refresh the page here. And also on top of here, there's a job screener function that will allow you to filter the company based on their H1B history and E-Verify history. So if you're looking for companies are E-Verified so that you can extend your STEM OPT, then we would highly recommend you to check off this box so that the companies you're viewing are all E-Verified and you can find their E-Verify information here. And when you want to look deeply into their H1B sponsor information, you can click on the H1B button. For example, like right now, you can see in the past, this company has sponsored 4 H1Bs, and they're all software developers, and you can also see their salary information and the job locations. So the data that we're using are from USCIS and US Department of Labor. Those are government data. So we have a fantastic data team to collect the data and clean the data and then match the data with our company database to give you this insights so that you can make more informed decision on whether I'm going to apply to this job or not. Because for international students, it's like critical for us to know whether this company is friendly to international students and whether it's going to sponsor you H1B or not. If the company has zero H1B sponsorship history, then probably that's not the right one to apply for. So from here, the H1B report and PERM report, also as known as green card, is the information that you're looking for to help you to decide whether I'm going to apply for this company or not. So this is how we can support you on the left side. And as you can see, there is a little pencil right here. That's a preference setting. When you click on that, you can see now I'm viewing all the sponsorship related information because I'm an international student. And if I want more information about this company, I can also check off the hiring history and salary and position analysis. So if you check off all of the boxes here, you will find 2 more groups of information on the left side. It will be like this. So a lot of our users saying it's kind of overwhelmed. So that's why we came up with this preference setting feature that will allow you to just view some information that you would like to see instead of having all of them. And for some domestic users, they may only see the hiring history or only the salary and position analysis. So right here is how we can do that, just using this preference setting feature. Yeah, so this is on the left side with all this history data and information to support you to evaluate a company. And then on the right side, just as I mentioned before, is where we analyze all the job description, the whole job description, and highlight the skills and keywords that has been missed or matched with your resume. So as long as you have upload your resume, you can find this percentage right here. For example, for now, I'm viewing a 25% match. and 5 out of 21 keywords are matching in the resume. If you click on this, you can see a detailed version. And if you want to improve your resume, just click on here. And this is the new resume feature that I just mentioned. And Johnny would be glad to show you how to use this feature. It's a very smart and straightforward resume builder. And I'm going to stop my screen here, and Johnny, you can go ahead to do that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna introduce our new features, and hopefully you can see my screen right now. So yeah, our new feature is the improve resume. And after you click here, this is a streamlined way to apply for jobs. On the left side, you can see you have different type of baseline resumes. I know you guys probably will apply different jobs and you have different versions, and you can switch the one you want to improve. Here, I'm gonna select my sample resume, and on the right side, you will see all the skills that's been mentioned in the job descriptions, the required skills and optional skills. The required skill will be automatically select all. You can um, remove them if you don't want to add them in your resume or you think it's already enough. And also you can check the other things that's required in this job description. Then you can click generate resume. Um, On the left side, you will see all the parts that's being changed are highlighted, and you will see the report on the right side about how your score is being improved and where's the missing skills added and what's being enhanced. Also, if you're not satisfied with what's being improved or you have just a little bit of modification you want to do on your resume, you can click editor. And this is a very smart editor, and we filter into different sections like your personal info, uh, educations. You can expand this session to see more things that you can adjust. Same to the experience. You can see all the bullet points, and you can even add more bullet points if you want. You can also adjust the times, the titles, the companies, everything that needs to be modified. Besides that, we did add a cover letter feature. We know while we're applying for jobs, it's very important to have a cover letter that's tailored around your resume to send out to the companies. And here we already have those for you. And we will automatically fill out the head part, which is the company and the location. And on the right side, this cover letter will generate it around the new tailored resume. You can edit. We're still trying to improve our prompt, but this is a very standard cover letter you can have. You can edit around here, add whatever you want. If there's a specific name that's in this job, please type in that name. You can export the current cover letter into a PDF version and it will show like this. Or you can just copy the plain text to your clipboard or hit regenerate if you are not satisfied with the current version. Same to the resume. If you want to keep this current version, you can download the PDF. And we have a very standard resume format that's being embedded into our system. So you can download it and use it after you improve it. Also, you can copy it to plain text to your current Word or documents you're building. You can also hit regenerate if you're not satisfied with the entire resume or just other things you want to modify. But according to the regenerate is based on the keywords you already selected. If you want to reselect the keywords, you can just toggle things around here, go back to the very first page and switch things. This is our new features about Improve Resume. Uh, and there's another update, which is the Interview Hub. So here you can see we removed the previous comment section and replace it with Manage My Job. By clicking Manage My Job and select a certain job title here, I'm gonna go to the Google one so that we can see more data in there. Select the job title, and there's the Interview Hub The first one is find a career coach. It's very important to tailor a resume or have a very handy person that can help you craft the resume and help you prepare the interview. So we provide a service. After clicking request a coach, you can see we already have 5 coaches here in the list. You can go to their personal page and use our FrogHire's code to have a discount. You can book session with them. I do recommend do more research to find the most qualified coach for yourself. If you don't see the coach you want, please send us a form. Here, by clicking request a coach, the company info and job title is automatically filled because we want to know which company and job title you are aiming at, and also tell us what's your need. And there's a few categories you can select. Uh, and other than that is the budget. If you want a free coaching, please select the free coaching sessions, or if you have certain budgets that you can type in here, and please let us know if there's anything you want to tell us, and that's the request a coach form here. Besides that, we did a little bit of update compared to our previous job manager. Here, you will see the job description that you applied for, the job description of the job you applied for, and also if you improve your resume using our improved resume feature, you will see the interface of that finished resume. So like you will see the improved resume in this interface. Other than that, will be the data that Mina has shown you before, which is about the company. Here's their sponsorship trend in the more clean look. So you will see the H-1B and perm data of their previous years, as well as the top hired job titles, job filled, and job levels. You can also check out employee backgrounds and to see whether your school is in the list, which can help you a lot to find a job that you have a lot of alumni with. Um, the next one is the salary insights. So if you guys are like if people are seeking for a H-1B and perm position, there is a required prevailing wages, and here you can explore whether the current job fits in the prevailing wages. You can check out what's the mandatory. Okay, there's a little bit tech hiccup here, so I'll go show you another interface, which is like there will be a prevailing wages according to the current job, and sorry for the tech hiccup. It will see the salary range of that job title and certain company, and it can be as a reference for you to know whether this is you want to negotiate for a higher salary or this is already satisfied with what you need. Besides that, we do have a few more handy tools that you can use, which is the contact info. And here since our data set is from the LCA, we do have all the HR departments and also the immigrant specialist contact info in our list. This is available for all our premium users. If you have if you would like to contact them, you can check out the list here. We will also have the contact information for the HR team. If you see a meet the hiring team in the LinkedIn page, those information will also be included in the contact info. The interview coach is exactly the same that I showed you before, and there's another very handy tool is the interview toolkit. Here we will provide you with the behavioral questions, the technical questions, and mock interview sources. You can check those out, and those are very useful for preparing your interview. That's pretty much all the new features here. Just a little bit side note, if you do want to send a quick request to coach, you can also click here. And this is exactly the same form with same things in it, but it's a more obvious click button that you can send us all your needs. And if we're still developing this feature, so we would like to hear more from you. And if we see there is a very huge needs in this area, we will try to provide our best service to you. And that's all our new features.
Thank you, Janine. That's a lot of information. Before we move on, do you have any questions? Yeah, just like Jianing said, we're still developing the career coach mode. That's actually a new part of our business development. Um, so our goal would be to match the right coaches for international students because currently all the good job coaches are not like specifically for international students, but international job seekers have very unique needs, and we do need very specific support from career coaches. Like, for example, international students are having limited budget, and we need support for our visa, something like that. So our goal would be to match the career coaches specifically for international students. And for now, the request coach is more like a request collection process for us to know the demand of our international student users so that we can get the resources from the career coach. And we're trying to collaborate with more platforms and also try to develop our own career coach team to support you guys. Um, yeah, so if there's no more questions here, I'm going to share my screen to finish the demo. Um, so now, as you can see, we also have a set bar feature. I you can choose to close it if you feel your screen has been squeezed too much. But on the sidebar, if you're using a bigger screen, we would definitely suggest you to keep it open all the time while you're searching because um, as long as you click on each job posting on the sidebar, you will find more information regarding this company. Um, like right here, you can see a overview of this company and alumni information that's actually we got from the green card history that you can see how many alumni from your school has been sponsored with green card history, with green card in the past. So right now, when you click on it, it will direct you to our data tool so that you can view more information about each individual cases. And you can also find the sponsored citizenship regarding this company's past green card sponsorship. Um, it will give you like a sense of how this company is friendly to your citizenship. And also you can find the job posting trend and some top job titles that they've been hiring. So it will definitely give you more information regarding the company, and you can also find the contact information as the same as Daniel just showed on the interview hub section. So this is the set bar. And at the bottom, you will find five logos. That's the five platforms that our tool supported. So now I'm on LinkedIn, and that's the easiest way for you to switch platforms. Just click on the logo, click on Glassdoor's logo, and now you're viewing, you're searching software engineer, like the same thing on Glassdoor, just by one click. And if you click on the Indeed, it will direct you to Indeed and also Google and Handshake if your school is a Handshake user. So that's the most convenient way for you to switch in platforms without inputting their the platform. Just click on their logo, and you will find the same information on the left side and on the right side. Our tool is working on those five platforms seamlessly, and you will do exact the same actions like improve your resume or manage your jobs or viewing the H-1B history, verify history, or filtering the company by their uh, H1B or perm history in the past. So that's exactly the same. Um, and the reason that we support different job platforms because even you're searching for exact the same job titles, the five platforms may have different job postings. So for international students, we highly recommend you to search all around the internet, all over the internet, because you definitely have to apply for more jobs than domestic or local candidates. So this is uh, the way that we suggest you to search. And then getting back to the sidebar, here's another very popular feature called H1B jobs. It's also actually available on this dashboard as well. So right here, as you can see, there is a H1B job list. It's available on the sidebar. It's also the full version is also available up here. So this is the list that we updated on a daily basis. Those are jobs that has sponsorship available. So right here, as you can see, we have this sponsorship indicator. It says with a sponsorship may be offered for this role. And that's a sentence from the job description. When you see a green tag like this, it means somewhere in the job description, it says they're friendly, they're open to visa sponsorship. Just like right here, we also highlight this sentence for you. So from this list, you can find the most recent jobs that has a H1B sponsor available. Right, and it also across the five platforms that you can see. Like for this three are from LinkedIn and some might from Glassdoor or Indeed. And on this bigger dashboard, you can filter the H1B list by the job title and also by the job levels, internship, entry level, or mid senior level, or location and everything. So for most of our premium users, they use this feature every day to browse the H1B available jobs first and then apply to them because those would be the job that on top of your list to apply first. And also for premium users, you can turn on the alert so that you can receive the new H1B job notification by email. Yep. Again, that's a lot of information. Do you have any questions before I move on? Alrighty. Then the last one I would like to show you is our strategy feature. Um, so this is how we can help you to search for uh, the roles much quicker. So on the sidebar, when you click on the strategy, you will find this type and you can add it the strategy. For example, I'm looking for business analytics related jobs. You can set up a strategy name and on the majors list, you can select your major. We have all the majors with a CIP code, which is the code on your I-20, and you can select your major. And based on your major, we have suggested job titles for you to search for. Because for a lot of our users, they know their majors well, but they don't know what kind of job titles they can apply for. So we have two lists. One is the suggestion list that suggested based on our AI model. And we also have a history list, which is the job titles from the past H1B and green card history that in the past with your major, the companies has been sponsored what kind of job titles in the past. So this is the like real job titles history. So you can browse this list and select something that related to that as well. So for example, I selected business intelligence analyst and business analyst as the job title. We recommend you to select 2 or 3 job titles right here. And then for the custom keywords, that's where you can input something like new grad or under 50 applicants. Those are insights from our users. So when you input something here, it will show up when you search for this job titles as well. Uh, for example, I'm going to use new grad here. And then the job locations, you can also select based on different lists. We have top 200 most H-1B friendly cities were like based on the population or states or remote or the whole United States. You can select the job locations. In job levels, we have internship, entry level, mid level, and senior level. And they posted, for example, I'm going to search for only looking for jobs in past 24 hours. And also, we have a new feature for recent hours that's only available on LinkedIn. So that will be the most recent jobs that has been posted on LinkedIn, maybe just in the last 3 hours. So when you save, click on save, you just set up a new strategy, and the page will run systematically with the strategies that you've been set up. For example, I'm looking for a new grad business analyst in Pittsburgh with entry level past 24 hours. And now you can see all this information has been input on the LinkedIn with past 24 hours, entry level, and that's the strategy you have set up. And the easiest way to view the next job is to click on the next button. And as you can see, I was searching for business analyst, but now I'm searching for business in business intelligence analyst right here, and the location is changed. So in this way, it's just kind of looping through all the job titles and job locations, because we view job searching as a process of keyword searching. So there are different keywords you're searching for, and in this way, it's a combination of the keywords that you have input, and you just click on the next button. It will loop you through all the keywords with different combinations so that you won't miss any opportunity, any combinations to search for the jobs. And just click on the next button. It will run systematically with the different job titles, different locations, and different job levels. You don't have to input the job titles or locations over and over again. You just input one time and click on the next button. And also, you can switch the platforms as I showed before. For example, I'm switching to Glassdoor, and now you can see it's searching for the same keywords on Glassdoor as well. You don't have to input that on Glassdoor either. You just switching the platform and click on next button. It will search everything on another platform. So that will be saving you a lot of time from inputting all the keywords and everything. And also it could work on different platforms just by clicking on their logos. So that's our strategy functionality. Um, any questions here? Okay. I guess that's all for our extension interface. Johnny, do you have something to add?
Um, Not really, except there's a reminder for the follow-up letter if that's worth mentioning.
Oh, yeah, yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah. So, so wait, give me a second. So here, after you go to the job, you will see in your job manager that we add a new follow-up clock here. So we believe that it's very important after we apply to a certain job, is we should send out some follow-up letter to see whether there's any possibility we move forward with this job. So if you want to do that, our job manager can track when did you apply, and after you applied, if it's the third date or the seventh date, you can click the click to follow up button. Here we will provide you with the follow up letter. You can copy this to your clipboard and send out an email just as a quick reminder for the hiring team saying, I'm so interested in this job and I hope you would consider me. It's just a way to act in a very initiative way to tell them you're very eager to take on this job. This is a quick feature. If any one of you are interested in using that, please check it out.
Yeah. Okay. So if we don't have any questions here, I'm going to wrap it up for today's demo. Uh, yeah, like I mentioned before, this demo has been recorded. If you want a recording, I'm going to share the recording link with every registrant. And also it will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. So hopefully it help you address all the questions regarding our tool. We have so many functionalities. You may only export like 20% of them. It's okay if you're using as like a H-1B checker. That's totally fine. But we would love you to explore more features, especially for our resume builders and the management part, because more of the resources are coming to the management. We're going to support you more on your post application part. Yeah, so thank you again for joining us today. And if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. We can be found everywhere on social media, on LinkedIn. Yeah, thank you and good luck with your job search process. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a good day.